So in the Revel, it has an electric bed system. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to come back and you're going to take these curtains, these cushions out of the GLSS system. We're going to pull them back because we're going to use them for the bed. Take them back here. Just set them to the side. And then what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to lower the bed. But what you need to watch for is you need to watch to make sure that with the aluminum pieces on the side, the bed lines up and you don't end up crushing the table because there's no automatic stopper. So as you come down with the bed, you're going to get it to the point where you can put the cushion back in. What that does is that extends your ability to go from one flare to the opposite side flare, making the bed a lot larger.